Hello friends, welcome to your Infotech channel. So in this session I would like to explain functions concepts. Okay, so in the functions, the previous class we had discussed about this function hoisting and functions. So in the function, now we will store the function in variables we can access with the variable name itself. Okay, like let me take an example. Let me create a new file. Okay, now I can save this file functions 2.html. Okay, so let me take here JavaScript functions. So I'm taking h1 JavaScript functions. So let me take here style tag. So here I'm taking h1 background color, dark child, then color white, padding 20 pixels. Right click open in default browser. Okay, JavaScript functions. Okay, now create this script tag. Okay, script, and I may take here. I'm storing the function into. So first storing the function in variable. Okay, let me create one function. Okay, so division. I'm taking division here. Okay, so r comma t value. This is a function I have. So in this function I may take here a return statement, return r divided by t. Okay, now I'm storing this entire function. This is a normal function declaration. Okay, so this is declaring a function. Okay, now I'm creating here a reference reference variable. Okay, let division equal to. Okay, I'm taking here a divs, so without parameter. So I'm assigning this function to this variable. Now so we can call to this function here. So normal we can calling of the function, we may call this let result equal to. So you may add here add. Okay, so you may take your 40 comma 40 comma 5. Okay, so here I may take divs. So this is my function. I'm taking here a 40 comma 5 as a result. Okay, now you can print your console.log. Okay, so you may take your result value. Okay, this is a normal way of accessing a function. Okay, so in another words, let me take here. Okay, so now we're using this reference variable division, right? So we can also use like this. Okay, let result 1 equal to. Okay, so you may use this division. You can take your 50 comma 6 or 60 comma 6 here. Okay, so you may print this result 1. Okay, let me go to this browser, just reload this page and right click go to this inspect. Okay, go to this console part, make it here. Okay, so there are two ways of accessing this one. So we can store entire function into the variable reference variable, and you may call this okay, so based upon variable we can access the function. Okay, so this is a normal calling of a function. Okay, normal we can this is not calling, normal storing. Okay, so like we can use here normal. And next thing, so we can pass the function. Okay, so we can pass one function into another function. Okay, so within the function you can pass another function here. So how to pass, in the sense, let me see an example. Let me here passing a function to another function there. So function, I may create add, okay, a comma b. Okay, and I may return here. Okay, so I may return the value, return okay, a plus b. I'm return the value a plus b. Now let sum equal to, I'm creating here reference. Okay, now I'm creating one function, so with an average. Okay, for average I may take a comma b comma fn. I'm passing these three parameters here. Okay, so inside I'm creating a here, so fn is stands here, so fn is a function. Okay, I may take a comma b. Okay, so divided by 2. Next, let me take here, let result equal to result 3 equal to, let result 3 equal to average. Here I'm taking 20 comma 40 comma sum. Okay, and I may take here console.log. Okay, I may take result 3. Okay, let me go to this browser, just reload this page. Okay, so I may print here 3 value. Okay, see, so I may get the value here. Okay, so the calculations will be like that. Okay, 40 plus 20, 60, 60 divided by 2, so I may get the value 30. Okay, next I may take here, okay, so returning functions from functions. Okay, so this is one example function. So now I may take one more example, so returning functions from functions. Okay, so for this I'm taking here one function let me take compare by. Okay, so here I'm passing some parameter, property name. So this is my parameter, and compare by is my function. Okay, so inside I'm creating a return. I'm taking here one function. Okay, I'm returning one function. So in this function, so I want to take here the two parameters like x comma y. Okay, and I may assign this okay, I may assign this property name to x and y. Okay, let x equal to, or let I equal to. Okay, so here I'm taking x property name. Okay, comma y equal to. So let y equal to. Okay, so let me take j equal to. Okay, so I'm assign property name. Okay, now I may take, so inside of this let me take your if condition. Okay, so if I greater than j. Okay, so it may print return y. So return return 1, else if I less than j, return minus 1, return minus 1, else. Okay, so it may return 0, return 0. Okay, now let me create one object here. Okay, so create a object declaration. So I'm taking here let products equal to. Okay, so inside of this let me create a objects name. Okay, iPhone, iPhone price. Okay, so price I might take 30,000, comma. Okay, so I'm taking two more copies. So I'm taking your Realme. Okay, so 10,000, 1 plus 1 plus. I'm taking your 20. Okay, so this is a product having some names here. Okay, now so I'm sorting this, okay, by name using sort method. Okay, so here I'm sorting with product name. Okay, so for this console.log, okay, I may take the products are sorted by name. Products are sorted by name. Okay, and here I may take products. Okay, so products dot sort method. I'm using sort method here, and I'm calling the function compare by. Okay, so here itself I'm just taking here. So inside of array, so we are taking an objects, right? Three objects we can place inside of array. So array will obviously array will place like this. Okay, in square brackets. Okay, so here I'm just writing sort method. I'm sorting this by name. Okay, so we have iPhone, Realme, OnePlus series, right? Let me take one more, this one, and we can take Nokia. Okay, so price, let me take here 5,000. Okay, and let me take one more, and here I'm making a Sony Xperia. Okay, Sony Xperia. Okay, so price, let me take your 4,000. Okay, so here I'm creating some objects, so I'm sorting by using by name. Okay, using sort method, and the two I'm calling this function here. Okay, so once we can call this function compare by. Okay, so it will check for this property name is equal to ing. If this condition is satisfied, then it will be print here by name. If condition is not satisfied, okay, it can't print this values here. Okay, now let me take the same one. Okay, so now we are sorting this name, right? Next we will print this on the console. Okay, so console dot table. Okay, tabular format. So for this I'm creating products, so I'm just calling this products here. Okay, and next I'm just sorting. Okay, sort products by price also. Okay, and console.log. Okay, so let me print some heading here. Products sort by price. Okay, price. Now let me print products sort by products dot sort method. Okay, in this sort I will write will calling the function compare by. So here I am taking price. Okay, then let me print console.table tabular format. Okay, let me print here the products. Okay, and so go to this browser, let's reload this page. See, may print here. Okay, sorted by name, sorted by okay product price. Okay, so like we can use this sort method. Okay, and here also, so if you want, you can also remove this one. Let me run, we'll get the same output. Okay, so you can also use like this. Okay, just click on this, Control Z. Okay, like we can use here function within another function.